From scrap to something powerful. Looks like just an old coil spring, right? Rusty, worn out, forgotten. But in the hands of a craftsman, everything changes. Into the fire it goes, burning red hot, softened by heat, but not weakened. Then comes the hammer, each strike powerful, precise. Slowly, the metal begins to take shape, from raw to refined. The blade starts to emerge, cutting, grinding, sharpening every detail, every edge perfected. And just like that, scrap becomes a trench knife, strong, sharp, reborn. This is the art of forging.